Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into upcoming motorcycles. Today, we explore one of the most exciting launches enthusiasts are waiting for, the 2026 Yamaha R15 V5, the next evolution of Yamaha's legend in the entry-level supersport segment. The 2026 Yamaha R15 V5 steps forward with an even sharper and more aggressive design. The bodywork has been updated with improved aerodynamics inspired by bigger Yamaha supersport machines. The front fascia brings sleeker LED headlamps, a more pronounced air intake, and a race-focused silhouette that cuts through the wind with improved efficiency. The fairing lines are cleaner, the stance is more compact, and Yamaha has focused on reducing drag to deliver better high-speed stability. Powering the new R15 V5 is the familiar but refined 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled VVA engine, now tuned for smoother acceleration, improved mid-range pull, and more responsive throttle feedback. Yamaha has optimized the ECU mapping, delivering a slightly higher output while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Riders can expect crisp gear shifts thanks to the updated 6-speed gearbox paired with assist and slipper clutch, and Yamaha continues offering quick shifter, upshift, for that race-ready experience. The 2026 V5 sits on Yamaha's proven Delta box frame, but with subtle structural enhancements for better cornering accuracy. The USD front forks and monoshock rear suspension are retuned for a more balanced and controlled ride, whether on city roads or twisty highways. The bike now feels more planted during high-speed transitions and offers precise steering feedback. Lightweight alloys and improved braking dynamics with dual-channel ABS ensure confidence in every riding condition. Yamaha continues to push the boundaries by upgrading the feature list on the R15 V5. A new generation digital TFT meter brings improved graphics, multiple riding displays, smartphone connectivity, and real-time riding analytics. Bluetooth integration allows call alerts, SMS notifications, and navigation prompts. The bike also gets an improved traction control system and engine cutoff safety enhancements. Yamaha has focused on combining smart technology with race engineering to keep the R15 ahead of its competition. Despite its aggressive design, Yamaha has refined the riding posture for better long-ride comfort. The seat cushioning has improved, the clip-on handlebars are adjusted for reduced wrist strain, and the rear-set foot pegs maintain sporty ergonomics. The bike continues to appeal to both daily commuters and weekend riders who want premium performance without compromising comfort. While Yamaha hasn't revealed its official price, the 2026 R15 V5 is expected to be priced slightly above the V4 due to its design upgrades and added technology. For riders who crave sharp styling, advanced features, and track-inspired performance, this motorcycle is set to redefine the 150 cubic centimeters supersport category once again. This was an in-depth look at the 2026 Yamaha R15 V5, a machine that continues Yamaha's legacy of precision, power, and modern engineering. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more updates on upcoming bikes and automotive breakthroughs. Thank you for watching, and ride safe.